always on my video.
That's your problem.
I'll take it on dash away.
That's why you might tell us.
Dash away. The slump on my fingernail between my flesh and my nail. I sit a while ago. Tell you. I sit a while ago.
Nonsense.
Huh?
Yeah, there's a stupidness.
Like me come, and I sit like this. Look, my hand is on it, my bottom so. I say, ow, I'm gonna do it again.
Stupid. You're very dumb, I swear.
I'm gonna sit on it, and between my flesh and my nail, look on the coggle blood between it. Could I? So maybe my nail go drop out tomorrow, overnight.
You're gonna hurt yourself, you know that?
Oh, purposely sit on it. And see me, I show you how I do it, I'm gonna just sit back on it again. Alright guys, welcome back to our channel. And we have this new package here that...
And when you finish, I would like...
will you interrupt me?
Sorry.
I'm gonna unbox right now. Let's get into it. Let's get into it. Gosh, man, no manners. I'm talking here running from my thing. You wanna come from, man? What's back a wall?
I could never be at that. I would like to ask you some questions.
What's back a wall wanna come from?
After you finish.
What question?
I have a question.
Don't ask me a question.
Because I think sometimes you're retarded.
What's your problem?
You do.
Sure.
Why would you sit on your hand?
Me know me under the need my bottom. I sit a while ago.
You stupid, Shane.
And then I show you again how you have me put my hand on it and I slump on my fingernail again between my flesh and my nail. See coggle blood. Guys, so this, what's this, tripod? I think. So this is how it looks. Let me get Levi phone to try it. You guys seeing me? Because I'm seeing myself. I'm seeing myself. So this is how it looks. This is the stand. So we're gonna put this on. That's the stand right there. Okay. So it said balance gimbal. That's what it means. I don't know. That's what it. Oh, I don't know. Before turn on panel control, USB output and shooter button. Oh, so the shooter button would be this, I guess, like zoom in and out. I guess USB input. So this is okay. And it said balance. That's balance, right, people? All right, so get Levi phone. What's in that little brain of you right now, Angie? What's in your brain right now? Or I should say, what's in that brain? What's in that brain of yours right now? Partner? Guys, turn it on. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Up and down, up and down, up and down, sideways. What with the ugly woman there? Turn it on her. What with the ugly woman there? Okay, so this is how it works. Call back around. So this is how it looks, guys. And this is a portable charger. You could plug a USB card in it, charge your phones on the go. So that's it. It's nice. I could move it. See, I could move it like this. Or I could just use the button to adjust it how I want. Okay, that's it. Can't wait to use it. That's me right there. Okay.
Fool.
Huh?
You're an idiot. You know that, right?
How?
Shane, I really think you're stupid. Why are you talking to the phone?
I'll be an idiot.
You are.
Take one for no one.
Retarded.
Take one for no one.
You're an idiot.
Take one for no one.
That's why I have a secret and I'm not telling you.
What secret?
Nothing.
Belly full. Guys, I'm just eat done. Alright, so let me scrap back this down. So this is why is vibrating? What the hell? Like a little vibrator. A little vibrator. Okay. You want it?
You want to push it up in your ass? You're an idiot. You're stupid.
Turn it down. Scrap it. We'll scrap it down. What question you want to ask me?
Nothing. I want to know why you're really so in a hurry to go outside. Why you want to go outside so? And today's a holiday.
I'm at the Uber.
Alright.
I'm at the Uber. Yo, the thing just vibrate for me to right in it. Just so you know. Jaja. Alright guys, so that's about it.
Seriously, Shane? Where all of that?
What?
What you just do?
What this?
I mean, what was the purpose of explaining to the people about that thing?
Because I unbox the tripod.
You're unboxing your iPod.
Tripod.
Oh, your tripod. Okay.
Alright guys, so I just unboxed my tripod and I cannot wait to use it. You know I'm gonna have some great vlog from this. Yep. Thanks for watching. So what question you wanna ask?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Maybe you could do an arm wrestle.
Come now.
See. If you're stronger than me.
Huh?
Let me see who is stronger than who. See if you have any use, guys. Anyhow, me win. That means that I really need to divorce you. Oh, Jesus, I'm tired.
Okay. You're wrong and fool. Same thing. This on. Oh, yeah.
But I'm shorter.
I have to be on that side. Wait.
Oh, my feel my leg. I'm getting old. Shane, look, you see how my hand off of the thing? You know, she said I'm very short. I'm short.
How come?
Who is gonna try to who you try to put my? You have to try and put my hand down.
Right, there you go like this. I'm supposed to do somewhere. Come. Yeah, that's hurt my arm.
You're such a little softy.
Okay, so go.
1, 2, 3. You gotta try and get me down.
Oh, so this arm sick enough, so maybe I can't get it down. my shoulder don't have no power in it. I can't get it down.
Why you have no power?
I can't get it down. My
Why
shoulder
you
get
can't
tired
get me
just
down?
now. Come try again.
1,
2,
3.
come.
No, you put me down.
I'm trying.
What kind of man is it, Shane? You are such a soft. Alright, use this hand.
No, I'm good. We're done.
This is
we're
my
done.
left
We're done.
hand.
We're done. My shoulder not good from 2 years ago, man.
Shane,
You
not do, why?
Cause you forgot this. I see my shoulder. I'm in the corner zone shot into.
Alright, so which one you not put no shot in?
So you have to use this hand now. So I come this way now.
This way. So you try put me down.
Yeah, I go that way. I
Okay.
come this way. So I good hand now. Ready?
So you're stronger than me, right?
This hand, but this.
This one of the weak hand.
Well, I also get tired just now.
Okay, so I guess you're the man.
Yeah, I can't do nothing with this shoulder. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. We out.
Bye.
Oh, God.
Shane is such a weak.
Everything's several up now. King Benji. Oh, yo, Aleo. Everything. Everything's several up now. Everything's several up now. Mommy, everything's several up now.